In the desert, the heat completely changes the vegetable gardening cycle. Home gardener Marisha Boring tells visitors how she's learned to grow summer vegetables in winter and spring. Good job, that works perfectly.
It's pretty much opposite of any other kind of gardening. I start my garden generally in October and end it in late May, early June.
So you're growing tomatoes through the winter and into the spring?
I am, and I start my tomatoes over in the cold frame because we do get some frost here. We get probably 5 or 6 nights of frost a year.
And why do you have these cages?
The cages are to keep the animals out, and also I use them to put shade cloth on in the summer.
It's so fascinating to see how gardeners adapt to extreme conditions. With some out-of-the-box thinking, Marisha is conquering big challenges to growing edibles in her home garden.
Over in this bed we have asparagus.
I see some nice little stalks right there. Want to just pop them off?
I know, they're delicious.